The Mi Box 3 Gen 3S is terrible. Like, look at all these suggestions. I don't want them. I don't want these, okay? I probably don't even belong to this side of the world. So that is weird. And then when I go to search engine and I write something, there is no suggestion right here. There's supposed to be suggestion on my previous Mi Box. So that's another problem. And another problem here is that when I go to apps, let's just say I want to search an app because I cannot go to Play Store. So let's JJJ. And then I have to do that because there's no suggestion. And when I go, shut up. Okay, they make a lot of sound. I hate that too. So when I find one like this, I open it, right? So when I press back, it's supposed to show me the other results, right? But if I press back, it goes to the damn menu. So I can't, I can't even do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna search this exact app. I'm going to show you the app actually because I have already installed it. So the app I'm supposed to show, Jesus, I'm sorry. Okay, the app I was supposed to show you is this Projectivy launcher, and this fixes everything. Like, it fixes all of it, but there's a problem. Whenever you press back and home, you go literally to this mess, which I don't like. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go up, go to settings, and then go to Projectivy launcher setting because I need to make it default and I need to make it override the whole thing, right? So I'm going to go to manage. Actually, I'm going to go to general. I'm going to press override current launcher because you cannot override the current launcher and you cannot override the current bad keyboard silence. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to accessibility service, and then I'm going to, it says no, and when it's not enabled, it's still not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to accessibility, and then press yes, and then I'm going to press enabled, and press OK. And now if I press back, it's not going to go back. And guess what? This is beautiful, and there's so much customization, and the one I'm talking about. I have Play Store literally in here. And I can open it, and then I can, let's just say I can search, and it shows search result. I mean, search suggestion, which did not show up before. So I'm gonna press on this. I can go back, and I can have all of this. If I click on this, and then I go back, it doesn't close. So it's so perfect, and it doesn't have this annoying AI voice every time you search thing. It doesn't let everybody out know that, oh, I'm looking for this app. That is so good. And yeah, everything is so perfect. So if you like this fix, because I've been looking for this fix and nobody made a video over it. So if you like this, please do subscribe, and I'll see you later.